NBB-SSS is a strong supporter for harmonisation in the post-trade market. Is that the main reason for your support of T2S?
Actually, right from the start, since the early beginning of the process, we've always been a strong believer in the T2S story, as we see it as a giant leap forward in the direction of the achievement of a single European financial market. Of course, we know that T2S alone, by the post-trade harmonization, will be a necessary but not sufficient condition to reach that, but it creates a momentum for other hurdles to be cleared in the corporate law side and tax side, and that's for sure very important. On top of this, by introducing direct connectivity, we think that T2S will enable participants to benefit, and mainly the major participants, to largely benefit from the process by streamlining their process and by benefiting on cash and collateral side. And thirdly, from the point of view of a central banker, what I am, I think it's also important to have a look at the cash side of each DVP operation, by which each participant will improve the settlement ratio by the introduction of new functionalities in T2S, such as auto-collateralization, other things, and also by streamlining the back office dashboard of our operation.
We understand that you have developed a two-phase approach towards adapting to T2S. Can you elaborate a little on that?
Actually, we knew from the start that we had to create and to set up and to redesign our internal operational IT software operating our CSD. And so we tried to take advantage of this by anticipating T2S by it. And so we work according to a two-side approach. First step, end of 2014, the NBB-SSS will dispose of a brand new IT software covering a major part, 80% of the new T2S functionalities, so more than 1 year in advance. And then on phase 2, by January 2016, we will migrate to T2S actually. And I think it will offer many advantages. First, it will avoid the so-called Big Bang approach by spreading all the preparatory work, the testing approach, on a longer period of time, which is important in order to mitigate the operational risk. Next, it will offer our participants, as I said, a large part of the benefits and to reap a large part of the benefits of T2S beforehand, so 1 year in advance on average. And then it will make the NBB-SSS less dependent of the possible slight, even slight delay in the process, what we don't expect, but you never know, by having a brand new IT operating system in the first place. Of course, it has also drawbacks. Every cloud has a silver lining, which is actually that we know that the preparatory work will be starting beforehand, and a lot of months beforehand. And by it, we raise awareness meetings with our people, with our participants. We also program other meetings to be held at the end of June and in October. And by it, we actually raise the bar of awareness for people and for participants to help them being prepared for the right moment.
How will the NBB-SSS customers benefit from your decision to sign the framework agreement today?
I think that the best benefits they will have is basically that we will give them the clear signal of what lies ahead for the years to come. By committing ourselves to T2S, we actually give the signal that they have to be prepared as well at the right time. And so we clear every uncertainties out of the way by giving them a clear direction towards the future. And second, we give them the opportunity by doing so, by reaping most of the benefits of it, as I said earlier, beforehand, by using a two-step approach.